friends, today we are going to learn how to stitch princess cut front open. Now we will attach each lining with the main blouse material. Each part you have to join it together. Now each part we have joined with lining. Now we'll join this princess cut area this way. With needle you push the fabric so that it will be a perfectly stitched. Now you can see how nicely it is done without any wrinkles. Now you have to stitch front part. This is one part done. Same way you have to do opposite side also. Now both the parts are ready. Now we'll check it with cups whether it is proper or not. You can see this, how nicely it is done. Now we'll stitch a hook putty, or you can say hook stripe, to attach front. For hook we take only lining because it is go inside. Stripe is ready. Now on other side you have to attach the stripe for eye. That you have to attach with main fabric. This is your eye stripe of main fabric. You have to fold this way. Double you can take. Now at bottom hem you have to attach one stripe of half inch, or you can take 1 centimeter. Now you have to attach this. See how perfectly it is done. Same way you have to do it on other part. Now you can see this princess cut front is ready. If you like this process, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friend for more information. Thank you.